Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OBOL token. OBOL is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This is from the OBOL Collective, and this token is getting at least two very big central exchange listings, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token's webpage is obol.org. Over there you can find tons of links. You can find all sorts of socials. They have a Discord, they have a LinkedIn, YouTube channel, GitHub, an X. I'm going to put their X in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project at OBOL_collective. It says scaling infrastructure networks with the largest decentralized operator ecosystem in Ethereum and Web3, powered by distributed validators. Has a link to their webpage there. 45,500 Twitter followers, 3,900 tweets, blue verified checkmark. And it was just announced that this token is going to be listed on Bybit, and it's going to be listed on Gate May 7th, 11 a.m. UTC time. And I'm sure it's going to be listed on tons of other big central exchanges as well as it gets closer to May 7th. I'm sure you're going to see more pop up on this Twitter, more listing announcements, partnerships, all that type of stuff as it gets closer to the TGE. So if you're looking to get this token, you could download Gate or Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT on May 7th, anytime after 11 a.m. UTC time. You go into the trade section, search OBOL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So what is the OBOL Collective? Well, the OBOL Collective is the largest decentralized operator ecosystem, provides the technology, opportunities, and community to scale decentralized infrastructure networks. The list of OBOL Collective participants includes 50+ staking protocols, client teams, software tools, education and community projects, professional node operators, home operators, and stakers, including names like EigenLayer, Lido, EtherFi, Figment, Bitcoin, Swiss, Stakewise, Nethermind, BlockDaemon, Chorus One, DAppNode, and many more. So the OBOL is focused on scaling consensus by providing permissionless access to distributed validators, which offers not only protection against client issues and key mismanagement, but also Byzantine fault tolerance. We believe that distributed validators should and will make up a large portion of mainnet validators configurations, with the transition of the Ethereum community to DVs enabling a new trust paradigm. The distributed validator middleware client, Sharon, boasts the security, resilience, and decentralization of the Ethereum validator network by enabling squad staking. The collective is fueled by OBOL's economic model, which directs retroactive funding to the ecosystem's project via retroactive funding, a positive flywheel to accelerate adoption of DVs and scale infrastructure networks like Ethereum. So DVLabs, originally known as OBOL Labs, is one of the core research and software development teams building DVT. DVLabs' mission is to build shared Web3 technologies for node operators to establish a credibly neutral and trust-minimized infrastructure layer. So DVLabs' distributed validator middleware client, Sharon, boosts security, resilience, and decentralization by enabling squad staking. So they have the OBOL product suite as well, and that empowers any node operator to run fault-tolerant, slashing-resilient distributed validators. You can choose from a suite of tools to get distributed validators running on any type of hardware with any combination of software clients. So they have the foundation, the configuration, the launchers, and rewards as well. Now, OBOL Incentives program is designed to be powerful and transparent, rewarding anyone OBOL tokens for staking on the DVs, the distributed validators. So OBOL Incentives offer an opportunity to earn OBOL tokens incentives. There's 12.5 million OBOL tokens that will be distributed in the first year, 2025. Incentives begin accruing on March 24th, 2025. Claiming will be possible May 12th, 2025. And if you are staking with a partner, incentives will either be claimed via the participation partner UI front ends or via the DV launchpad. And it shows how to participate staking through partners, running your own DV cluster. And how much OBOL will I receive? They have that on there as well. So there's the key staking concepts. They compare OBOL versus other DV implementations. So there's a chart showing how they're superior to other projects. Now they have here API section on their page and SDK section. They also have walkthrough guides. And there's also governance involved as well. So the OBOL Collective's governance system has two primary goals. Number one is resource allocation. Allocate resources effectively to support the collective's vision and grow the OBOL Collective's sustainable value. Long-term vision may sometimes conflict with short-term value creation. Thus, governance requires a blend of short-term and long-term thinking to allocate the token treasury and protocol revenue effectively. Number two, capture resistance. So governance plays a key role in securing the anti-capture and censorship resistance of the OBOL Collective. Governance should A, make it possible for operations to continue over the long term without reliance on any individual entity, and B, prevent any one entity or small group of entities from being able to control or censor. So you can find all of the info at docs.obol.com. They have all sorts of info on the product suite, governance, you name it. There's even jobs you could check out, blog articles. There's the launchpad, stakers, node operators, protocols. And this token getting some big central exchange listings, Gate, Bybit, May 7th, probably more coming. Stay tuned. Follow the Twitter there. They're going to have more announcements coming up, I'm sure. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.